Got it here, 7 top selling Civivi knives on Amazon. Also, Civivi having a gift guide promotion for Father's Day starting the 2nd till the 19th. Also, will be discounts. I'll put links in description. Gift guide is a really good idea for Father's Day, especially if you don't know much about it. That will help you out quite a bit. So let's see what we got. The most sold Civivi knives on Amazon. Mini proxies. OD green G10 handle. There is MSRP and MIP. $29, $35. The black one, everybody loves the black one. Those are more popular. And there is a 35, 29, 75, same thing. And the steel is most important. Blade steel, D2, very good steel. Then handle material, G10. All of them comes with the stickers and a microfiber towel to clean them. This one is a black one. So to flip it, push down on it and it flips out super well. So perfect size for a pocket, mini. It says right here D2 and no markings on that. Really love green and black color. Civivi logo, beautiful. Clip, soft clip, so easy to put it in and out. And to flip it out, just put tension on it and flip it. Flicks it really well. I love that. Okay, let's see what else we got. Conspirator black Marita handle, gray stonewash, Natter V blade, the steel blade. That's the most important for me. There is a lot more specifications of the size difference, and there is comes in different colors. Looks like a wood handle and the Damascus steel. I love Damascus steel. Obviously, the Damascus steel will be most expensive because materials cost more to make it. And this is from $100, $80, $79, $79. This is how easy it is to open boxes like this. Also, I really like the folders it comes with. Okay, let's see what it got here. Ooh, is this a bottom lock? Looks like. Let's see. I love that handle, kind of like non-sleek handle. Clip, pretty soft, nice clip, and there's a button. Ooh, smooth. Wow, that's a really comfortable knife for big hands. There's locking mechanism, bottom lock, pivot assembly. This is really cool information right here too, and a pocket clip, what it's made of. Very standard blade looking knife. I kind of like it for everyday carry, even to go camping, because this is a big enough knife to cook with. I love it. Also opens and closes with the bottom too. This is super nice. I really like that for everyday carry. This one is Whippet, green aluminum handle, black hand rubbed Damascus blade. Ooh, this is going to be really nice. I really like Damascus blades. They all come out with a different pattern of the Damascus steel. Okay, let's open that. So this is the one I got, and there's different colors, and they go around from $78 to $66 up to $95 and $80, and the Damascus obviously more expensive. Okay, let's see what we got. Wow, ooh, looks like anodized steel, aluminum I mean. That is cool, pretty lightweight. So 2 ways to open. It's not assisted, it just flicks so well. Wow, or is it? No, it's not assisted. Wow, it felt like it was assisted. The blade is so skinny, flicks out so well. I love that pattern, but each one of them gets very different pattern because that's the way, the nature of the Damascus steel. It's a bunch of different metals blended together. Is that a bottle opener? I think so, definitely functional. That is so cool. I never seen one like this before. Also removable clip, and for the left hand, and it's a thumb stud, so left hand right hand, well, the only thing is different is the button is not on this side. But let's see, with the left hand, just use that. Ooh, it actually closed better. Left hand. Ooh, wow, it pulled it together. Right hand. Yeah, it closes really well. Like this kind of angle, just manipulate it a little bit better. The easiest way to open out, I would say, is by opening it this way. Wow, look at these waves. Damascus steel, so cool. And it's so skinny. I think it's the best whenever it's skinny blade, almost like a box cutter. So I would use it a lot to open up boxes. I receive boxes every day, so that would be very useful. Next, I got it here, brazen black G10 handle, black stonewash D2 blade Tanto. The Tanto is the name of the blade shape, and that's what it looks like right here, Tanto. There's so many different ones, different colors. So cool. So most important to me is blade material D2, very good steel. Handle material G10, very good stuff. And MSRP, MIP 58 to 49. I really like this knife right here. So skinny, so easy to open boxes without damaging them. So let's see. This is right here, flipper Tanto, black on black. This is probably some of the most popular knives colors, is black on black. Very good. There's a clip, there's a lanyard, hole holder, and very smooth. Wow. Thumb stud, liner lock, beautiful. So smooth, I can't believe it, how smooth that is. Yeah, that's a high quality knife right here. And it's both ways, really easy to open it, what I like. Wow, that's good stuff. This one right here, baby bender, black G10 handle, black stonewash Nitra V blade materials. Okay, open that way. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, no wonder they call it a baby. Look at that, it's a perfect miniature everyday carry pocket knife. Black on black. No wonder it's most sold on Amazon, because that's what people like. There's the designer logo, Nitra V blade bender, but this one is baby bender, liner lock. Ooh, it's smooth. It's so nice. Left hand. Ooh, yeah, nice. But this one right-handed. So much fun. It's so smooth too. Kind of holds it whenever I'm locking it up. The liner lock. This is just perfect. Love the silver logo. Soft handle, nice. Next one is really special. This one is Elementum frog pattern. Frog pattern is very popular, so I'll show it to you when we open. Ivory, so it's kind of like white ivory. G10 handle, that is also very popular. Stained finish D2 blade. So let's see what's all about. This one is really exciting to me. Ooh, this is what the frog means. Wow, the white and silver like still look to it, so nice together. And the frog, like a pineapple type of thing, frog, you know, beautiful. Both sides, nice clip. Wow, this is probably my favorite out of all of them. That's so cool. Okay, and it's a flipper, liner lock. Very easy to flip it open. Doesn't have to put it on the edge or anything, just a quick little flick, it just flies out. Doesn't matter if I put it my finger deep in there or on a tip right here, flips out really good, easy to use. Ooh, yeah, very smooth too. Wow, I really like that one a lot. Okay, and this one goes from 53 to 63. Blade grind, hollow, all this other information. Very good stuff, and it's only one color available on that. It's my favorite for sure. I love frog handles. Very sticky, so it's not slippery at all. That's what I mean by that, by sticky. And the last one is V-Knife. It's also same company run by Civivi, I guess brother sister company. But big bender, green canvas, Marita handle. Ooh, nice. Gray stonewash CPM 20 CV. CPM 20 CV. Good, really good steel for everyday carry. Okay. Okay, comes with all the little stickers and stuff. Okay. Let's open it. Big case. Nice. Ooh, there's two knife holders. Beautiful. Fluffy inside there. Okay, interesting. I love the handle. Non-slip handle. Beautiful. Okay, this is a stud. Ooh, look at that. Is that the drop point? I forgot the name of this. Okay, bender, soft clip. As a designer, liner lock, very smooth. Yeah, love it. Left hand. I'm not the best at left hand, but also what I like it, whenever I lock it and it hits right here, there's no sharp edge on here, so it's nice. Perfect everyday carry knife. And what does it go for? Ooh, this one is nice, 150 to 175. Obviously there is steel material is very good, and this one is green canvas America, and the blade material CPM 20 CV. Definitely a step up. I really like this kind of knives that range between 150 to 150 for everyday carry, but they all just beautiful. I would say this one is my second favorite. The white one, it was like the coolest one in my opinion out of this whole batch, but they all super nice. So let me know in comments below which one is your favorite. I think this is also makes a really good Father's Day gift.